te gusta de Katzenbach?
No sé, cómo te atrapa las historias.
Me encanta lo que escribe, me encanta la manera de escribir, te hace vivir lo que él piensa y lo que se imagina.
De John Katzenbach. La trama que lleva y cómo le va dando vueltas a medida que avanza en el libro.
En poquitas palabras, ¿qué es lo que los atrapa de los libros de Katzenbach?
Bueno, mira, yo lo que te digo, el clima de suspenso que él que va creando, especialmente con los primeros libros, no sé, la historia del loco, el psicoanalista o el calor del verano. Y tiene una particularidad al margen de lo que es los contenidos del libro. Es muy ecléctico el lector, porque vos encontrás acá chicos de 10, 15 años hasta gente de 60, 70 años, y eso es positivo.
Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy your time here. Bye. Hello. Bye. Sofía. Y el primero que leí es El Psicoanalista. Me lo regaló mi hermano, me reenganché y después empecé a comprar el resto. Leí La historia del loco, El hombre equivocado y ahora voy a leer este. Yo creo que La historia del loco está muy buena. Sí, la verdad que sí. Te atrapan y no puedes dejar de leerlo.
Everywhere from Mexico all the way down here, everyone has been wonderful. In South America, I think you all don't realize how friendly and outgoing you are, and it's just delightful for me to come down here. Always surprised that anyone other than my wife reads the books. So I mean, it's really special to come down here with so many people of so many different ages reading the books, and which is makes me feel wonderful. If I could do that, I would put all of that recipe into a book and sell it. Let me just say this, that the best thrillers are the ones where the characters have the biggest stakes, which means the biggest threat and the biggest tension in what happens. And the best thrillers are always about ordinary people, and that's what I try to do. There is something that I learned as a journalist in every book I write. It may be something small, maybe something big, but there's something in every book. I can point to the pages in every book. Well, all of my characters are like children. I love all of them. When I'm actually in the process of writing, I get very fond of every character. They're like my friends, even the bad guys. And when I look back on it, there's something in every one of them that makes me proud.